Guess who's back? But you never left. Yes, I did. I rose from the dead. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm just gonna be showing you how to do this look right here. So I get the liquid latex tissue and I take a liquid line and I just draw where I want my cuts to be, like I'm doing now. And then I'll tear the tissue up and I'll put some liquid latex over where the cuts are supposed to be. Now I'm just layering the tissue over the liquid latex, and then I'm putting latex over the tissue, on top of the tissue, then layering tissue back over it, and then I'm just gonna repeat that a couple times, like 4 or 5 times, over each place where I have a cut or a slice that's supposed to be. Now that I've done that and I've made sure it's dried, it has to be completely dry. I'm going to take some foundation and I'm going to put it over where the liquid latex and tissue is. Please, this is crucial. Make sure the liquid latex is the last thing you put on. Not the tissue, the liquid latex, and make sure it's fully dried. Now I'm just blending the foundation over the pieces of tissue, making sure it matches my skin tone because I already have makeup on. So I'm just putting it over the makeup I already have on. And now I'm going to be setting it with a skin tone setting powder. It doesn't have to be skin tone. You could use the Sasha Buttercup. You could use translucent, anything like that. But I'm scared of those things. So, and like I said, I already have on makeup. So that's why I use that. Now I'm going to just take a scissors and cut the slices out. Please be careful. I almost cut myself 1,000,000 times doing this. So just take your time. There's nothing to rush. Be absolutely careful. So now I'm just showing you where all the cuts are. Now I'm going to just put some black paint on a makeup sponge and just put that on where my skin is showing, where I just cut open my supposedly slices. So I'm just showing you that. And I'm going to do that to each one. Then I'm going to grab some red, orange, and black eyeshadow, but now I'm just putting on the black eyeshadow to like set the paint so the paint wouldn't be wet. So that's what I'm doing now. And now I'm putting the red, the orange, and I think I used a little bit of yellow too, if I'm not mistaken, over the slices just to make them look more realistic. And now I'm putting on a homemade coagulated blood that I made. So yeah, if you want a tutorial on that, let me know. And now I'm putting on vampire blood, fake blood, like the more loose one in the cut, so just make it look like it's fresh and it's bleeding. So that's what I'm doing after I put on the thick blood. So that's what you see me doing right there. And I got a knife of the kitchen. I'm just putting the fake blood all over the knife just to give it that effect. And I'm putting some on my lip because I did put some thicker blood in the corner of my lip. And that's basically all I did. Thank you so much for watching this video.